So for OneDrive, if you have enabled notifications, then you get notifications for different things. But if you want to go around and change the notification settings, then you can easily do that by clicking on the gear icon right here and by clicking on options. So once you go around over here on the left side, you can see that notifications is an option. And if you were to click on this, then you can see that you get email notifications for certain things. For example, if people make changes to the files you're sharing, then you get a notification. But if you don't want a notification for this, maybe because you make constant changes to it, then you can simply disable this. On the day, memories are available, so if you want notification for this, you may want to enable this, and so forth, as you can see. The other option is OneDrive detect a large number of files that are deleted, then you get a notification for this, which may be alarming and you may want to turn this on. You can also get a notification for daily summary of communication right here. So you can enable and disable the notification for whatever you want right here and click on save to update out the notification settings as per how you like. And that is how you can change around the notification settings as you like for OneDrive. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.